good tonight. Pam pam pam. They know my story. From her and you guys, today has been amazing. Today being first day of the week has been amazing, and I thank God for that. Okay, my name is Chinelo Ezeonye. If you're tuning in for the first time, please do not make it your last. Like, subscribe, and comment, share my video. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Okay, thank you guys. I don't take you guys for granted. All right guys, I'm about to close. Let me show you guys, the market is almost closing. People are started packing their things, and in less than, what says the time, this is 5:25. In 5 minutes and I will start packing. So before 6 o'clock I'll be done with packing, because market closed by 6 o'clock. I want to go home, and I would like to carry you guys along. This is starting up a new vlog. You're welcome to the channel. Like, subscribe, comment, and share my video. Okay, hey guys, you can see the way I'm sweating. I just finished packing. Right now. I'm about to go home, and I would like to carry you guys along. So please watch this video to the end, and don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Yeah, you guys, so I'm on the road. I just dropped someone that followed me in my car right now, and yeah, so let's go. Let me show you guys everything, because this road is somehow busy. Yeah, just want to show you, just so you know that I'm on my way going home. I can't explain. Feeling good tonight. Pam 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 pam. Yeah, I be thanking God for life. Pam pam. I can't explain. I can't explain. They know my story. From her and Hi guys, this is me the next day. So I'm on my way going home right now, and I want to tell you guys I'm on my way going home. Yeah, that is the update. I'm almost home. So you're saying I want to carry you guys along? I don't know. Hi guys, good evening. How was the day? My day went well. Yeah, this is the next day of this vlog, and I'm on my way going home. My way home, I just want to update you guys. Yeah, just want to update you guys, and let's see how it goes. Yeah, please watch this video to the end. Thumbs up, hit the notification bell.
Closer to my dream. I'm getting higher and higher, feeling in my sleep. Sometimes it feels like I'll never go past you. Sometimes it feels like
guys, good morning. I want to officially end this video here. Hi guys, good morning. I hope you enjoyed the last clip of the video I made. In my next video, I think I'll be creating a content on the ingredients that are needed for making that zobo, the complete procedure of making zobo, because many people drink zobo but did not know the real things, the real ingredient that you need to use to make a healthy zobo and its benefits. I think I'll be creating a video on that, and I'd like to officially end this video here. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, and share my video, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.